Hey, so is Sellerboard accurate? In this video, I'm going to do my best to help you find out the answer by comparing Sellerboard to my actual results of sales on Amazon Seller Central. And then hopefully we're going to understand, is it accurate or not? It's going to be a bit on the surface level. If you want me to make more in-depth videos, let me know in the comments. And also please share your results with Sellerboard and your thoughts. Now, I'm going to have also a free trial of 2 months. So it's an extended free trial for Sellerboard. So you can try out Sellerboard for free on any plan, no matter if you're small or a big seller. So check out the link in the description. And also there's going to be a video tutorial that shows you how to use each part here of Sellerboard. And my name is Vova Evan. Great to meet you. Seller on Amazon since 2016. So let's see how I did this quick. Is it accurate or not comparison? So I took the range of the 1st of January until 17th of September 2023. Currently, I'm recording it on the 20th of September, so I kind of give it a few days backwards because sometimes it takes a day or two, maybe on Amazon itself, to give you the right numbers for your sales. So I just took like a few days backward to see and compare. So we have your sales of $187,000 on the Amazon.com marketplace. Now let's jump into the Seller Central on Amazon and see if those kind of numbers fit. So also we see here 8,211 total ordered units. Now, here we are on Amazon in the section of sales, basically. It's a sales snapshot also from the 1st of January this year until the 17th of September. We have 8,214 units against 8,211 units on Sellerboard and sales of $187,513.80. And on Sellerboard, it's $187,443. So there's a slight difference between the sales. Now, I also took it back to 2022, and there was a little difference as well before that, before recording the video. So is it accurate? It is pretty accurate. And again, I want to remind you, there's a free trial and the special tutorial of how to use Sellerboard in the description. Let me know what you think. Like, is it accurate for you? Maybe I'm doing something wrong and the accuracy therefore is not 100% accurate. Maybe some units are missing or there's a special reason for this thing that happened. I am not sure, but I would tell you that we've been using this tool for a few good years and it's pretty accurate. Again, if you want me to make more videos about different parts of the accuracy of Sellerboard, we can do it. I just wanted to kind of show you a basic one to compare the results. So it's pretty much similar, maybe just a few units missing. Maybe there's a special reason for that. Maybe you're from Sellerboard. Guys, let me know. Maybe you know why it happened in this way. So there's a slight difference, as you can see, in the units ordered and in the sales. Again, maybe it's something from my side that I'm not seeing, and I would be happy for your feedback. Now, on the screen here, you're going to have the video that shows you how to use Sellerboard and the free trial, or you can either click here on the screen to get it, or in the description, you're going to find it. It's an affiliate link. It means if you ever do business with Sellerboard, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way, you can support my free content here. Really grateful for your help. And hopefully this video was somewhat useful. Let me know what you think. Have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.